It's 2025, and the truth is, HR has a reputation problem. Hi, I am Subhashini, the co-author of HR Analytics in Depth. Recent surveys show that 30% of employees distrust HR and 40% question their impartiality. Why is this? Because too many of us have experienced an HR that feels reactive, bureaucratic, or worse, disconnected. HR isn't just another department. Reputation is shaped by perceptions impacted by experiences like admin errors, poor follow-up, or one-size-fits-all processes. The worst is when HR does not understand the math of business, profit, and loss. Credibility is earned, not given. Time calls for HR professionals to become modern-day activists, champions of employee interests, backed by technology and business sense. Yes, you really should want to understand how business makes money. They must shift stakeholder expectations, legitimize HR's place at the decision-making table, set clear service standards, and share success stories using real metrics. How do you deliver on that credibility? The answer: HR analytics. Instead of subjective opinions, bring evidence like attrition drivers, promotion fairness, and workforce risk forecasts. Data transforms HR from an invisible admin unit into a strategic powerhouse. Here's a quick example. An organization faced low morale over promotion fairness. HR used analytics to show promotions were based on skill upgrades, not bias. Results: trust restored, transparency earned. Upskilling means going outside the comfort zone. The real question is HR ready to upskill? I'm happy to be part of the HR analytics revolution. Let's get started, because investing in analytics is no longer optional, it's indispensable. To reshape perceptions, HR must blend activism with analytics. It's time to rebuild trust with data, transparency, and real impact. Ready to be the HR that everyone respects? It is great to be part of the Jain University workshop on HR analytics.